Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Burundi. So let's get started. So here we'll just go to the Google and I will directly search for top business bank in your Burundi. Okay, so here we have, so the first is your Bank of the Republic of Burundi, then we have the Access Bank, then we have our Banco Belego and other banks. So in this video I am going to show you how to open a bank account in your Bank of the Republic of Burundi. So I'm going to their website. So this is their website. So to open a bank account here, you have to go to their nearest bank branch. They does not provide their online facility to open a bank account. Okay, so you can just directly go like here. You can see their page. Okay, so their official page. Okay, so here we have the vision, strategy, and other things also you can see. So you can directly go to their nearest branch from your site, and you have to be at least 18 years old, and you should have a uh, legal identity and other things. So to do so via these details you can open your business bank account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.